Hello everyone. I, Chaitanya Kayande Patil, welcome you all to the Department of BVOC Mass Media of the Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, KDHM College, Nasik. The 3-year course of Bachelor of Vocation in Mass Media was started in the academic year 2018-19 in KTHM College. There are total 5 BVOC courses in the college. The other courses are Printing Technology, Interior Design, Direct and Indirect Tax, and Dramatics. The course is affiliated to the Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune, and the course is sponsored by the University Grants Commission, New Delhi. BVOC courses are not like the traditional courses. This particular course is more practical oriented and is skill based. The field of media, journalism, and mass communication is vast. The students will be made familiar with various terminologies and jargons pertaining to this field. They will be taught theory and practical, which have real life applications. The students will be trained in such manner that they imbibe within themselves the required skills as per market requirements. The students will be ready to be absorbed in the market, or they will be able to start their own venture in this field after the course ends or even during the course. The intake capacity for this course is 50 students per year. The weightage of practical and theory is 60-40. That is, more emphasis is given to practical. The duration of the course is of 3 years. There are multiple entry and exit points to the course. After completion of first year, the students will be awarded course certificate in mass media. After completion of second year, the students will be awarded diploma in mass media. And after the completion of 3 years, the students will be awarded Bachelor of Vocation in Mass Media degree. Theory subjects have 4 credits and practical have 6 credits. Each semester, there will be 3 theory subjects and 3 practical subjects. Therefore, in each semester, there will be 12 credits for theory and 18 credits for practical. Hence, each year, there will be 24 credits for theory and 36 credits for skill-based component. In all, the whole course has 72 theory-based credits and 108 skill-based credits. Any student from any stream after completing 12th standard can enroll for BVOC Mass Media course. As I've already told, the pattern is semester pattern, and there will be 3 subjects and 3 practical subjects per semester. Theory subjects will be of 100 marks each, and practical subjects will be of 150 marks each. Therefore, total theory marks will be 300 and total practical marks will be 450. Therefore, in all, there will be 750 marks per semester. This is the list of subjects of first year, 3 theory and 3 practical per semester. The syllabus is designed in such manner that students will get an idea of India and its constitution, Indian society, and the world, the various characteristics and problems associated with Indian society, the field of mass media and journalism, types of media, types of mass mediums, types of communication, its working, various bits, the latest trends, the revenue models, the marketing and advertising field. Indian media versus global media, the role of media in society, media is the 4th pillar of democracy, etc. The students will get practical knowledge of camera handling, photography, videography, photo editing, video editing, documentary making, script writing, and using storyboards, voiceover techniques, advertising making, podcast and web-based production, and lots more. The students will also have to do internship in print media, radio, new media, and television channels. These internships will make the students aware about the functioning of media house and companies, the work culture and ethics, the various positions and responsibilities, the skills required for various positions in an organization, etc. In the last semester of the course, the students have to work individually on a project and do a research or an in-depth or make a documentary. The students will be implementing all the knowledge gained through various skills and experience in their journey. The various career opportunities in mass media and journalism are given hereby. Go through them keenly. Most of the theory and practical knowledge associated with these positions have already been included in theory subjects and practicals. The list is vast but not exhaustive. Positions differ from organization to organization. Nowadays, hybrid positions are being developed. The organizations expects the individual to have one or more skill sets. Department of BVOC Mass Media at a glance. The classrooms, computer lab with internet facility and computers equipped with all the softwares that pertains to this course. MVP auditorium to organize several programs. The department organizes several workshops and invites resource persons from across the industries to enlighten the students with latest trends in market, the current problems and probable solutions in our country and world, so that they are properly and thoroughly prepared when they step out of the college in real world. Lastly, we at KTHM College and across all the Institute of MVP Samaj believe in overall progress of the students. So, not only curricular, but co-curricular and extracurricular activities are also organized every year. Here are glimpses of BVOC Fest 2020. I would like to thank you all for patiently listening to me and getting acknowledged about BVOC Mass Media Department. In case if any in case of any queries, please feel free to contact Gokul Sanap sir or me. The mobile number and email IDs are given. Once again, I thank you all. Take care and be safe.